We will start by presenting Clava and some of its features. Clava is a C and C++ source-to-source compiler. The compilation process is guided by the DSL ANTAREX. It is open source and you can find it on GitHub. You can also find an online demo. The features we will present are the IDE, the documentation generator, the unit testing module, and the CMake plugin. This is the main Clava tool flow. We start with a clunk-based parser, which parses the original application and builds an AST. This AST is then modified to a custom Clava AST to allow for AST-based transformations. The Weaver talks with the LAR framework, which interprets the aspects in order to know how to change the application. This is the Clava IDE, and it is divided in 3 tabs. The first one, the program, you can set the options file, which contains all of the options for the current viewing. Below, you have a console for the output of the process. On the Options tab, you can set these options and save them in a file. The more important ones are the LAR aspect, the location of the source code of your original application, and the location of the output folder where Clava will generate the source code. At the end, you also have some Clava-specific options, like the standard and the compilation flags. Finally, in the LAR Editor tab, you can see and edit your LAR code. You can also see all of the code of the original application and all of the output generated by the weaving. At the right-hand side, you can see the language specification, which for each Clava join point can tell you the attributes that you can query, which join points you can select, and the action you can perform.